to go to Orlando and show y'all a couple of different vegan food spots I found. So make sure you stay tuned. Check out what I liked and what I didn't like. All right, y'all. So the best vegan meal I had in Orlando is... Hey y'all, so I just landed in Orlando and I am super excited to be going on this vegan food tour. So y'all come along as we check out a few different vegan spots here in Orlando. All right, y'all, so we're starting off with a place called Planties. It is off North Mills Avenue. It is in the downtown Orlando area. They specialize in burgers and shakes. It's a really cute small setup. You could pick up your food, you could eat it outside, or you could take it to go. So I decided to get the vanilla Oreo milkshake and a burger. It's creamy. I like this.
The way you're sipping for me.
It's so thick. It's so thick. But I like the Oreo crunch. It's made with oat milk. Don't you like oat milk?
I love oat milk.
So you should tell me.
I should have got one.
All right, let's go back. This is their signature burger, which is the patty, vegan cheese, grilled onions, lettuce, like tomatoes, pickles, and their plant sauce. Their own Thousand Island. We're about to spill stuff. It's just too early for this. This is a little baby burger. It's like a junior bacon cheeseburger. Without the bacon. Or a real burger.
Or real flavor.
Excuse me? This does take like a little Whopper Junior.
This
is good. But I love Impossible. Yeah. I love Impossible burgers. Fire. This ain't better than no Monty's though. Let's add a little bit more sauce because it might feel different.
Did you ever do that Impossible burger for burgers?
Ma'am, this probably what it tastes like. This right here. It's cheaper. Ma'am, I'm not doing it. You couldn't pay me enough to do it.
I did it. I did it just to try it.
Why are we at Burger King?
No. Really, seriously. Actually, I wasn't there. It came to my house.
Yeah. That makes it even worse. Like you ordered it?
Oh,
how was
try
it?
the hype.
How was it?
I didn't like it.
You didn't like it?
But I don't like Impossible burgers.
But did you like Whoppers like back in the day?
I love Whoppers.
But you didn't
like it.
No. Really?
Nothing.
To me, it tastes like a burger, bro. Like a regular beef burger.
You know, I love Whoppers. That's why I was so excited.
Yeah.
And it tastes like a Whopper.
No?
No. Are you saying it's worth it?
What do you think? It's good, but it ain't nothing special to me. It's good, but I'm not pressed to go back.
It's good?
It's good.
It's not spicy?
No, it's not spicy at all. Hey y'all, so I'm still on the Orlando vegan food tour. So right now we are going to a spot called Leguminati. It don't matter, come on y'all, let's just go see what they got inside. Y'all, I just realized as I'm editing this video, the place is called Leguminati. So they specialize in crunch wraps. So they have all different types of crunch wraps. I decided to go with what was recommended by the cashier. Y'all, I know how to make a crunch wrap at home, so... Y'all, I am so excited to try this crunch wrap. There were so many options, but I ended up going with the buffalo crunch, and I added mac and cheese, so we're gonna see what this tastes like. I'm so excited. I really wanted to try one of each, but you know, that's a little excessive. This is so cute. Thanks so much, So-So. And then I have my non-vegan friend drinking the vegan wine, vegan Moscato, whatever that means. Now here goes the moment of truth. Okay, this is the Buffalo Mac Crunch Wrap with some chips. Come on, some chips. Okay, let's see if I like it or not. So big. Bon appetit. I like the spice.
Okay.
I can tell the mush, which might be the mac. Okay. That makes it.
Mush, yeah.
Let's give it another bite. Flavor is good. I would add more buffalo. This is good, but I would do it without the mac. I might like it more without mac. And more cheese. No, the spice is good. Now to keep eating more. More cheese. More cheese. And what else do I want? Sour cream.
I say sushi.
And sour cream. That's the problem. People want all the stuff. We need to make it at home. I I would still come back here.
And get something else?
I'm probably try that OG. It's still good. Next up, went to a spot called Jacked Up Vegan. They are a vegan taqueria based in Winter Park, Florida, which is right outside of Orlando. They have an extensive menu with lots of items. They also got a kids menu, so bring your kids on down here. Now, the inside is really cute, really planty, earthy type of vibe. Okay, your grass wall, some flowers, some colors. Oh, hey, Steven, how are you? Okay, so we started off with the jacked up fries, which include burger sauce, vegan bacon, cheddar cheese, sauteed onions, and scallions. I like these fries, so I will order these fries again. The key here with these fries is when you eating them, you gotta make sure you have every piece of ingredient in your mouth because it all tastes good, like combined together. Okay, so Steven had the Island Boy burger, which is basically like a cheeseburger with plantain on it. I had a side of their elote corn along with the street tacos with picadillo, which is like their signature meatless protein. Now, I will say this corn was creamy. It just didn't give what I expected it to give.
Sorry, let me get another bite.
So I said, let's get creative. Let's add the corn to the tacos and see what it do. Now it is stuffed. It's thick, all right. But y'all know I'm gonna make sure I get a taste of all the ingredients at one time. And I was like, all right, now this is good. I like this. All right, y'all. So the best vegan meal I had in Orlando is these nuggets right here. These Simulate Nuggets Spicy. I got these from Target. This is the best thing I had this whole trip because these restaurants weren't really giving, you know? These nuggets right here were so freaking good, y'all. I had 3 meat eaters try out these nuggets and they said they taste just like chicken nuggets. All right, y'all. So I'm back to follow up with y'all on this Orlando vegan food tour. You know, nothing I had was like spectacular. Like, oh my gosh, you have to try this. Like, this was the best thing ever. I didn't get any of those vibes. All the restaurants that I did try out this trip were restaurants I have never been to before in Orlando. I do want to let y'all know, Orlando does have a really good vegan restaurant, and it's called Ethos. It is in Winter Park, Florida, right outside of Orlando. That's a great spot that I highly suggest. I have had a few items off their menu, and they were really good. I had the lasagna. I feel like I had another sandwich or something. It's been a year and a half or so since I've been there, so I can't remember everything. But if I can, I'll write it somewhere down here. Anyways, so I'm gonna bring y'all a part 2 of this Orlando vegan food tour. It might be 6 months from now. It might be 2 months from now. It might be 10 months from now. I don't know, but I'm gonna bring y'all a part 2 because we gotta find some better vegan spots in Orlando. We gotta find the best of the best in Orlando. Hey, feel free to comment below if you have any suggestions for other places in Orlando I can go to for my part 2 of my Orlando vegan food tour. So I'll be back for part 2 of my Orlando vegan food tour. Thank y'all so much for tuning into today's video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, So Models. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.